Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is having a good morning. The only thing I have on my face today is a little bit of lipstick, but everything else is clean because I wanted to test out a new tinted moisturizer. And this is from a company I have never heard of before. I got it through Octoly. The company's name is Control Corrective Skincare Systems. I, a lot of times, see something on the Octoly website that may not be from a mainstream company that I'm normally aware of, but has a product that I'm interested in. And what this company had was two products. One was a tinted moisturizer, and I'm always up for tinted moisturizers because with my mature skin, I don't like to put heavy foundations on my skin. And the other thing that this company had was a cleanser. And what interested me and got my attention about the cleanser is it is a cucumber bead cleanser. I love anything cucumbers, so I had to try it. This is an interesting cleanser because it's kind of a two-in-one product. It's both a cleanser and an exfoliator, so I'm always kind of game for products that can do two things for me at one time. I am a cleanser junkie. I love to test out new cleansers, so I thought I would introduce you to this line if you're not familiar with it. I'm going to give you a little demonstration of me washing my face this morning, how I washed it, and then I will give you a demonstration of their tinted moisturizer. So let me say this right up front before I get started. This cleanser was sent to me from Control Corrective Skincare Systems. All my opinions are my own honest reviews. So this morning, all I did was I took the Control Corrective Skincare Cucumber Bead Cleanser, and what this is supposed to do is it's supposed to just slough off any dirt and oil while really deep cleaning your skin. And it's gentle, it's good enough for all ages. The other thing that's interesting about this is you can even use this as a body polish or as a facial pre-shave. I shave my face, I don't know if you do. That's another thing you can use it for. It gently takes off those dead skin cells. Should cause no irritation or any abrasion because it is very gentle. It has little circular jojoba beads in it, and those are what exfoliate the dead skin cells. And it also helps unclog any oily pores. Some of the benefits the company says this cleanser and exfoliator in one does are balance the skin, exfoliate dead skin cells, and it's good for all skin types, dry, oily, combination, or sensitive. So all you do is, like I did, massage a small quarter-size amount over dampened face and neck, and then just rinse it off with warm water and pat it dry. My initial thoughts on this cleanser are, I guess I'm just not quite used to it yet, maybe. It's not wowing me yet. I am somebody that has tougher skin. I like a little bit more aggressive exfoliation. This is so gentle, I hardly feel like it's really exfoliating anything on my skin. Now, for someone that has very sensitive skin, this would probably be a very nice cleanser because the exfoliating beads are super gentle. With all that said, I kind of reserve the right to come back later after I've used this a little bit longer to kind of give you my final thoughts. Right now, it's not something that I personally would buy myself, but if you have sensitive skin, it may be something that you might be interested in. I wanted to show you that company, show you that cleanser. One of the reasons I was showing it to you is because it's a very strongly cruelty-free company. I know a lot of people are looking for cruelty-free products. Anytime I get a chance to find something that's cruelty-free, I can introduce you to, I'm always up for. What they say is that they strongly stand against inhuman abuse towards animals. They've pledged to always be cruelty-free and uphold their ingredient vendors to the same standard. The second product they sent me was their tinted moisturizer, and I am a tinted moisturizer junkie, love lightweight products on my skin, don't wear a lot of makeup normally during the week. If I'm not doing much that's important, I just kind of like to slap a tinted moisturizer on and just go. Let me say this again, this product was sent to me by Control Corrective Skincare Systems. All my opinions are my own honest reviews. What is great about this tinted moisturizer is it is a cruelty-free tinted moisturizer, so that gives you the option of using a tinted moisturizer that has an SPF of 30 and is cruelty-free. Let me do a demonstration of this product on my face. I'll show you what it looks like, then I'll put a little bit of makeup on, and you can see kind of what the coverage is. Usually tinted moisturizers are very light. I know sometimes people like to see what the tone of it is and just kind of give you my thoughts on how it feels on my skin. As I said before, this tinted moisturizer has an SPF of 30. It has a universal color matching technology, so it should match almost all ranges of skin tones. It's a super lightweight, non-greasy formula that really provides hydration. It does give you broad spectrum sun protection and also improve the look of your fine lines. The self-adjusting pigment in this product should work well with most skin tones. It's lightweight, silky texture. It does have UVA, UVB protection, and you want to apply this 15 minutes prior to sun exposure.
So let me give you my final thoughts on this tinted moisturizer. On the plus side, it is a cruelty-free company. As I said before, I know a lot of people are interested in cruelty-free products. I like tinted moisturizers that have a little bit thicker consistency. This one was much runnier consistency. I didn't feel like it really gave me any coverage at all, maybe the slightest bit. It almost felt like I was just putting on sunscreen, and that was it. I don't feel like it added much color to my skin at all. So the consistency of it is a little runnier than I prefer, just my own personal preference. It's just not something that personally I would buy myself. Thanks for tuning into this video. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.